There we go, all ruddy on the water. Burnt the first motor out because it was overpropped. It was on a 3-blade prop, 35 millimeters across. So I've gone to a 35mm 2-blade, same pitch. And now the my Dave motor, Chris Wilkinson Supplies, is running super cool. So it's Lipo power, no more. Wind it up a bit, but tends to porpoise because I think it was built around having NiCad cells in. So I need to put a bit of weight in the front by the look of it. Kept the patina, just locking it with a varnish. Just slowing up now, that cell's just stopped. So the cell's now got down to its minimum on the speed control. I'll bring it in and another battery on, run it off. That's me done. And when I get home, this battery pack will go on to storage charge. A lot of slow-mo